Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. Today, I got another day trading episode for everybody. This is the morning of August 3rd, 2023, and this is the ES chart 2000 tick interval. And yeah, let's get into it. This is the market. This has been the past couple days. As you can see, there's a clear downtrend of the market right now. The past couple days have been trading ranges that dipped down during the aftermarket hours. Yesterday, it was a clear downtrend as well, and then today, we are already starting off pretty low. So as you can see, there was yesterday's trades, and yeah, and then from after those trades in the morning, it did start to trade kind of sideways, but it ended up still making new lows and trading down. And then in the pre-market, as you can see, it dropped a lot, and where we're at now is pretty low. We're at some of the lowest spots in the market right now. So yeah, let's speed it up here and let's get into the trades that I took today, and let's talk about it and go over it. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so speeding it up, right now I'm thinking the market is bearish, so I'm not thinking of going long right now, but that can always change based off what the market gives you in the data. But right now I'm just analyzing, looking for different things, and I'm thinking going short because that's what the direction of the market's been going. You can see there's a clear trend that has been going down, so I'm thinking this is what it's going to continue to do today. But as we were going along here, I noticed, there's some spikes in the channel. I made this little uptrend channel. I'm expecting a new high, a new extreme. Haven't got it quite yet, so I don't know if this is what the market is supposed to be doing or not. So, I'm just looking for different things to see. Looking for second entry shorts off the EMA. Couldn't really find any key entry points early on this morning. Just a bunch kind of chop. I honestly thought it was going to be another trash kind of day. The market has been really, really choppy and weird, not knowing where it's going. But I thought so far it's going to be a chop day. There's another leg. There's barely a new extreme right there. You can even count that. Actually, it's not even a new extreme yet. So don't quite count on that. But you can see it made kind of like a double leg right here. See, bounced off the EMA once. Made that new extreme finally. You can see kind of a double leg. The market does work in some of these patterns. I don't know if it's been noticeable for people that have actually watched these videos, but there are patterns to the market, and you can see kind of a double leg correction up right there. But every time there's a break in the trend, it's supposed to create a new extreme, and it did create a new extreme eventually over here. So now I'm thinking, okay, it bounced off the EMA. It looks like almost three times now, and this will make it 4 right here. And now I'm thinking, maybe it's going up. So now I'm thinking for taking longs, and I'm looking for a setup off the EMA. So the first trade I took is coming up right here. I'm gonna slow it down in real time so you can see what I was seeing at the moment. So you see, I already got my first entry, and so now I'm waiting for a second entry, and we are gonna get it pretty soon here. I'm already in place. I have my target above the signal bar. You can see I moved it down, and there's my second entry, and I'm in. And look how quickly it entered me in the trade. Look how quickly it filled my order. Perfect second entry. Beautiful setup. Right off the EMA. Great signal bar. Unfortunately, I didn't get my runner. It did end up going down and stopping me out, but great first trade of the morning. This was around the 4 o'clock time frame. Usually on the top of the hour, it's pretty volatile. You can see like it filled it pretty quickly. That was a normal speed, and that was fast. It's the fastest I've kind of seen it fill my orders in a while. but stopped me out on my stop loss. But that's a beautiful second entry long. You can see it. Um, Beautiful high probability setup. So now I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's establishing a new trend going up. Let's see. Let's just see where it's at. Always continue to analyze, see where it's going. See if it can see anything develop over here. Yeah, but I'm thinking maybe continue to go along. Maybe I can get another entry off that other high. There was also, I forgot to mention in that trade prior, there also was a higher low you could have taken right next to the second entry. Usually they are produced after the second entries. They're called higher lows. I can go more in depth if someone requests a video about those entries, but for now I recommend looking them up on YouTube. There's people who can explain it better than I can right now. But there was a higher low back there, 2 bars after the second entry I marked. But now I'm thinking, okay, I can see visual dip. So now I'm thinking, okay, got a dip, and then now I have a break in that trend line. So now I'm thinking of a correction and a new extreme going down. So now what I'm looking for are second entry shorts, and I'm gonna slow it down here again because my second trade's coming up. I got both my trades back to back pretty quickly today. This is as fast as I've ever gone in a while. So I got my first entry right there. Now I'm waiting for the pullback. I'm in. You can see I'm in, and first I was a little scared. I was like, oh man, this is gonna fuck me over. I mean, yeah, screw me over, and go all the way back to my stop. But it doesn't. It fills my order. I'm happy pretty quickly, and then I move my. That was an accident right there. But then I move my stop down because I know it's going to go down a little bit farther. And yeah, I end up closing at pretty much the highest point for my runner. I got, I think, like $124 off my runner, something like that. Yeah, I just took the mark at 100. I was like, you know what? I'm good with this. I'm out. And I ended up closing the other. But you can see the second entry short right off the bottom. It does a first entry, pulls back to the EMA, and there's a nice signal bar right at the EMA. And then I entered a tick above that signal bar, and it pushed down. It filled me. And I was just like, you know what? Boom. 2 trades back to back. First trade was at 4 o'clock exactly, and the second trade was at 4:15 in the morning. Again, this is Hawaii Standard Time, so you can do the math for the time zone for where you're at. I think that'd be like, yeah, I don't know. It's sometime later for West Coast and East Coast. But yeah, ended up profiting big today. Over $1,000 today, so it's perfect. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much it today. After these 2 trades, my goal was to get 2 trades a day. But after these trades, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to push my luck. I'm going to get off and end it here. So that's what I did. And I didn't really do any more analyzation after that because, well, I mean, I did kind of for a little bit. I analyzed the market, but again, I got off at around 4:30 because I didn't want to push my luck. And yeah, but if you enjoyed the video, guys, please leave a like, please leave a comment, subscribe. And yeah, I hope everybody had a great trading day. And I'll catch everybody in the next one. Peace.